In this video, we have been given that a plus b equals to 6 times the square root of a times b, and we shall have to find the value of a divided by b. Now the first thing we need to do is square both sides. So we shall have a plus b raised to the power of 2 equaling to 6 times the square root of a times b raised to the power of 2. And so this will be a plus b raised to the power of 2 equaling to 6 to the power of 2 times the square root of a times b raised to the power of 2. Now if you remember, if you have, let's say, a plus b raised to the power of 2, this is equal to a to the power of 2 plus 2ab and then plus b to the power of 2. So we shall replace this with that. This will give us a to the power of 2 plus 2ab and then plus b to the power of 2, and this will be equal to 6 to the power of 2, which is 36, and then times. Now this 2 will cancel with the square root, and so we shall remain with ab. And this can also be written as a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 and then plus 2ab, and this will be equal to 36ab. And if we take this to the left hand side, we shall have a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 and then plus 2ab and then minus 36ab equaling to 0. So we shall have a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2, and then 2ab minus 36ab will give us minus 34ab equaling to 0. And at this point, we can divide through by b to the power of 2. This will cancel with that, and we shall remain with 1. And also this will cancel with that. This will give us a to the power of 2 divided by b to the power of 2, and then plus 1 minus 34a divided by b, and this will be equal to 0. And this can also be written as a divided by b to the power of 2 plus 1 minus 34 and then times a divided by b equaling to 0. Now at this point, let's let x to be equal to a divided by b. And so this will become x to the power of 2 plus 1 minus 34 times x equaling to 0. And this can also be written as x to the power of 2 minus 34x and then plus 1 equaling to 0. And at this point, we have a quadratic equation that cannot be factored. And so to solve this, we shall use the quadratic formula. X will be equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4sc divided by 2a. The coefficient of x to the power of 2 is 1, and so a will be 1, and then b will be minus 34, and c will be 1. Therefore, x will be equal to minus b, which is negative 34, plus or minus the square root of b to the power of 2, which is negative 34 to the power of 2, minus 4 times 1 times 1, divided by 2 times 1. And so x will be equal to, this will be positive 34 plus or minus the square root. Now negative 34 to the power of 2 will be 1156 minus 4 divided by 2. And so x will be equal to 34 plus or minus the square root of 1152 divided by 2. Now the square root of 1152 is the same as the square root of 576 times 2. And this will be equal to the square root of 576 times the square root of 2. And so we shall have the square root. Now 576 is the same as 24 to the power of 2 times the square root of 2. This 2 will cancel with the square root. And so we shall remain with 24 times the square root of 2. So x will be equal to 34 plus or minus 24 times the square root of 2 divided by 2. And if we divide through by 2, we shall have x equaling to 34 divided by 2 is 17 plus or minus 24 divided by 2, which is 12 times the square root of 2. But if you remember, we were told to find a divided by b, and we had also set x to be equal to a divided by b. Therefore, a divided by b will be equal to 17 plus or minus 12 times the square root of 2. And that's our answer. Therefore, that's how you can solve such an equation. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.